Okay, well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I was going to work on my video today on my own authority, but I thought, well, it's going to be a short one. So I thought in the meantime I will show you some upgrades I did to the truck in the rain. So we're going to try this audio mic out on this Hero 5 and see how it does. So the truck is filthy. We washed the shiny stuff yesterday because we knew it was going to rain, but we added this stainless panel here, and that gives us everything from that line all the way down shiny. On the pre-built, this right here was the same color as the truck, so now we've got it all matching. We added stainless to the DPF step right there. Now we have stainless for sorry, I messed with the camera. We have stainless for this little toolbox back here. It's back there in the belly box trailer, but it needs to be cut down special because it's this toolbox is a full length and I cut it down small, so I've got to cut the panel. I already had one cut, but it got messed up, so I bought a new one. I got the dimensions, just got to find a machine shop that will cut it because my skill saw butchers it. But anyway, we got stainless done yesterday on the DPF cover and that thing, and we got our lights done on the front of the bumper. So there's what they look like when they are on. You see them in the camera. So I painted them. They turned out kind of dark. That paint turned out being black and not smoked. So I don't really like it. They're too dark. Because that pair's more of a smoked, and those are darker. And I had painted the ones that I'm going to put up here on the mirror, but that paint ruined them. Anyway, so yeah, so more. We got stainless handles, and we got the stainless on the sleeper door. Stainless trim around the sleepers. It matches that up there. So anyway, so inside the truck we got our chrome vents on our dash, glove box, our window controls, and our chrome gauges, and our chrome over here, and our chrome. This is what we did with key ignition switch. We just cut it, put it inside a chrome cap. That's kind of the same cap that's on my front wheels, and so that's what we use for our ignition switch. And whenever we add our chrome and wood grain steering wheel, we will chrome that wheel out. But we haven't done that because this is comfortable, and I've heard that the other ones are not. And so I have the chrome switch to go here. I haven't done it yet, but we got all our chrome matching, so I don't know if you guys have saw the chrome lately, but anyway, we were going to change this GPS out today, this Ram McNally, but I think I'm going to give it another chance. I read the book on it, and I think it does what I want it to do. I just got to learn how to use it. And of course, we got the chrome CB. We're going to change the CB out today and that GPS, but the CB, it malfunctions. It'll stop working. So I have a spare generally. I just need to get that one worked on. And we're just rambling. So we'll go make our video now on our on authority stuff. I came out here to put these sheets on the bed and get the truck made up. So there you go. See you in a few moments.